Kurugamio wira kwa maafitha aya gukite o riri thirikari ikoretwo ikihinyererio kuheana ithabu ria uria kigina gia kuhurana na king'uki gia coronavirus gikoretwo gikihuthika. Ruhonge rwa uguri na wendia wa dawa KEMSA ni gatagati ka honge iria cirekirirwo nganja gukirekana makiria ya shiringi bilioni 1 cia ya gukorwo ihorokereire uguri-ini wa indo ngurani iria irahuthika kuhurana na murimu uyu kiambiriria kia uthuthuria ari kurugamio wira kwa murugamiriri munene John Mwangi Manjari hamwe na maafitha angi eri.
Those 3 officers stand suspended from today, 14th of August 2020, until such time as the EACC completes its investigations and gives a direction on the way forward.
Ona kuhanoro uguo ruhonge ruru ni rwiraniire kurutithania wira na honge cia uthuthuria niguo gutigirira a Kenya ni mataukirwo uria kigina giki gikoretwo gikihuthika.
I want to assure Kenyans that we are on top of things and that there should be no reason for anybody to be alarmed about the issues currently going on in the media and in the public domain about KEMSA.
Maya mokite oriri namba ya arwaru a murimu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini ikirereirie kuongerereka umuthi ikirugamira andu 29,334 thutha wa andu 580 gwikirwo mukode muthenya wa umuthi. Aya ari gatagati ka andu 5,854 aria mathimitwo ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mahituku.
From our cases today, 530 are Kenyans, whereas 50 are foreigners. 336 of them are male, while 244 of them are female. The youngest is a 1-year-old baby, and the oldest is 92.
Ihinda-ini riu andu 198 ni marekereirio gucoka mucii thutha wa kuhona ona gutuika nayo namba ya aria makwite no yongererekete.
And from this number, 119 are from the home-based care program, whereas 79 have been discharged from various hospitals. And this therefore brings the total number of recoveries in the country to 15,298. And we continue to appreciate our healthcare workers for their excellent work done. Unfortunately, however, we've lost 5 patients to the disease, bringing our fatality count to 465.
Akiaria cia mugomo uria urarireirio ni maafitha a urigitani kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, mwandiki mutafariri ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Mercy Mwangangi augite ni magite na giikaro gutigirira mateta ma maafitha aya ni marubuyo.
Ndio kumekuwa na shida kuweza kubadilisha ile payroll kutoka county ya Nairobi hadi kwa Nairobi Metropolitan Services, lakini haya mambo yote yametatuliwa. Allowances za COVID zimelipwa. Hakuna mtu yeyote katika Nairobi County ameweza sema kuwa kuna allowance ambayo hajalipwa ya COVID. Na kama kunayo huyo mtu akuja ajitambulisha hapa katika Wizara ya Afya, tutaweza kutatua hilo jambo.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena Wawadurwa.